former President Trump said Sunday. Representative Jamal Bowman. The government should be imprisoned for terrible action of fire alarm on Saturday before vote of House in a stopgap measure to exceed deadline midnight. Will Congress member Jamal Bowman. D.C. will be prosecuted and imprisoned to stop and determine the main fire alarm system to stop. Congress vote in D.C. Trump's task. Bowman's day ago on Saturday before Cannon House office a fire alarm by accepting triggering building to release comes today. While hurry vote. I usually came to a door that is open the votes but will not open today. But I want to be very clear. I was trying to delay the vote in any way. It was the opposite. Ultimately I was working urgently for a vote that I made and participated in a bilateral effort to keep our government open, he continued. The Republicans accused New York Democrat of quickly trying to sabotage high betting votes. Trump claimed that Bowman's action was a very dangerous prevention of a official process. The same accusation in connection with the Capitol attack on January 6, 2021. Trump said, a very dangerous, formal process was prevented oluş, which was the same as against our J6 prisoners. In fact, the action may be worse. In August, Trump was accused of conspiracy prevent an official process in connection with his efforts to stay in power after he lost the 2020 presidential elections attempt prevent and block. Bryan Steil, president of Assembly Management Committee, claimed that Bowman would launch an investigation into incident on Saturday and that committee was a video of incident. Capitol Police said that they were investigating the incident and confirmed that a fire alarm was withdrawn at 1205 hours on the second floor of the Ball building. Bowman finally voted in favor of McCarthy's ongoing decision on Saturday with 33,591 votes and voted in a Democrat and 90 Republican opposition. The decision, which was later in Senate with 889 votes, finances government at current expenditure levels until November 17, and Congress is trying to negotiate remaining allowance bills.